Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for coming by the channel. On this channel I do paper crafting, gardening, recipes, and every month the release from Heartfelt Creations. This is the September release and it's called the Rustic Sunflower Collection. Perfect. I am out there collecting my sunflowers all the time and putting them over in my little farm stand. And these colors are just right for the season, and I love the little sunflowers. They're very nice images, and if you are not familiar with Heartfelt, they're American made papers, beautiful papers, and they have beautiful stamps and dies to go with their images and all kinds of borders along with these cutouts that are perfect to just start your cards with. On this side there's a wonderful layout page with this nice gating in the background, the little can, the milk can or container, and then the sunflowers bursting out of it. And of course look at how beautiful the script is with the scroll work, with the layers of colors. And again, not only one color, but although its basis is green, you can see little bits of yellows and orange, which is just perfect for the fall. Here are smaller ones. I love these little cards. They're great for thank yous and quick birthdays or mentions of, or to make yourself a little collection of cards to send people at work. And you just cut these out, pop them on the front, maybe stick your sentiment here, or go further and start using some of the dies and the stamps and create three-dimensional sunflowers in this case. Here are some empty tags, every stitch of space used, so that you can use those on your cards. Here's a lovely layout page with three corners having the sunflowers. I love this scroll work up here, this little bucket that's in there, and the gate that's down along the bottom. Some more different size cards, perfect for making tags, very fall themed with the orange, the yellows, the greens, the blues, and of course dies and features that have been in the collection. One thing about Heartfelt is that once you start collecting them, not only can you not stop, but they have themes that run throughout their papers. You will find dies that you bought 6 months ago fit very well with the papers that are currently coming out. So this is lovely. I can pick, this would be great at the bottom of a box if you were doing an altered box, or you can use it as background, or you can use it as a layout. Very pretty. Boy, blue and orange contrast so well, right? So here's a nice one with this cluster of sunflowers. We have a little bit of chicken wire up here, very rustic with the scroll work. This nice split so that you can off-center your photo. Or of course you could cut this out and make it a gorgeous card. Here's a very nice stripe with the opposing corners having the sunflowers, and made to look slightly antique because on the edges not only can you see the little decorations printed in between the stripes, but it fades out to a little bit of a lime green. This one has a very Tuscany feel to the color and the background, and then it pops with these gates or dies, and then the sunflowers come forward. Very nice. This is a very interesting pattern, very intricate. I like this color blue that they're using. And then these colors that would be tans, very light browns, almost getting to orange, mixed in. Perfect for the colors of the season. This is a beautiful blue. This is just gorgeous. I hope it's coming out for you in your screen, with four corners of the sunflowers. And then you got your script, you have your scroll work, your little gates, really pretty, and that would be great to have a nice big photo. Maybe get a frame for this. Little clusters shaped into 2 rows that could create diamonds of sunflowers. Here's your cutout pages. So you got this nice jug right here. You get this cute sort of bent over bucket and this wooden version, as well as lots of different sunflowers, and oh so cute. Check it out. Look at the little ladybugs. Just adorable. So if you get the dies and you don't have time to color, you can just pop those out with the dies. They fit it perfectly. Again, look at this with the orange and the blue, how much it pops. I mean, it's almost neon when you put those two colors together, right? And again, with the sort of antiqued edges, lovely. I have sunflowers that, you know, we used to think sunflowers used to come in just yellow, but now they come in like these pinks and these maroons and reds and all kinds of colors. And so these are very nice with the dark center, almost reminiscent of Rudbeckia, which I always think Rudbeckia and sunflower, they're out together and they definitely complement each other. Very nice on the leaves. Lovely the way the painting and the artistry was done. And again, this is a cutout page. You have dies and molds with this one that you can just pop these out and use. An orangey yellow, okay? So, and then some lovely intricate designs with that. These will be your larger 6x6 of the, or larger card of the full-sized pads and some more of the smaller cards. This is definitely much more of a lime green, and it's nice. They have these almost like board patterns, and then you can see the floral pattern with very intricate design in that. Again, the larger papers represented in 6x6, a more turquoise or aqua. Again, these little lines sort of giving the eye the idea of wood or planks, but a very geometric design in the background. Beautiful blue. More of the 6x6s of the very rustic looking and good, it's named Rustic Sunflower, patterns on the larger papers, and this is definitely a poppet, orangey, I mean, it's almost got browns in it, a little bit of yellows, perfect. I mean, that would be great for a Halloween card too. Yeah. And here is your tag page. These ones do not have any sentiments, your tickets, your stamps, so that you can use all your wonderful dies and stamps. And Heartfelt has quite a few sentiments that have come out. And a royal blue with, yes, once again, not just a flat, but little places where it's paler and there's a design in it. So the stamps and the dies include the Rustic Sunflower and bucket. So there's the die and here's the stamp. Here are the sizes. And there's the little ladybug and the different clusters. Please excuse Raspberry. She is honking on her chicken over there. So sorry. And there's the dies that go with it. The Rustic Sunflower, which has, it focuses more on just making the lovely three-dimensional flowers. So this is going to go very well with your mold. And if you haven't seen the molds, they're very cool. You put the cutout flowers, stamp them, color them, cut them out, put them in the mold, and it'll actually start the shaping for you. Oh my goodness, I'm not starting this video over because the dog has found a toy to get my attention. I will be right there, Raspberry. Here's Rustic Sunflower can and freezer. So, can and freezer. Can and freezer? I'm not sure. But this is beautiful with the flowers coming out. And this is adorable, and you can put the flowers in and some nice single little stems. And you can see the sizes. Some of them are small, so you can use them on your smaller cards. And there's the dies. And then here is the 3D Rustic Sunflower Shaping Mold. And you can see that there's where you would put the leaves and the different flowers sitting inside. Put the two pieces together, run them through your die machine, and you have shaped flowers. Start to sparkle them up, put them on some of these beautiful papers, and go to town. You have fall cards, you have Thanksgiving cards, you have birthday cards, you have gift things that you can start making for the holidays and for Christmas, and you have beautiful fall colors to enjoy with all kinds of cute images. Just wonderful. Alright, so I will be back. I have taken tons of gardening video this summer. I have not been able to piece it together to make a video. We are back in school full time. So I am struggling with time. HuckleberryHerbs.com if you want to check out my little store. I have a lot of the older Heartfelt Creation stuff. I just have not